Thank you for checking out WxCommPro, the weather communications coaching program for professional broadcast meteorologists. I'm glad you're here because broadcast meteorologists have an important job. You keep people safe during severe weather and provide information that allows people to live a happy, healthy life. That's an important job. But unfortunately, it's no longer an essential job. In a national study conducted by Pew Research, 70% of the respondents said weather information is important for daily life. It ranks higher than anything else, above crime, politics, much higher than sports. However, in the same survey, almost 80% of the people said it is very easy to stay informed about the weather. Think about that. The forecast is available with one tap on most smartphones today. And that's not your only competition. In some places, you can get the latest forecast while you pump gas, wait in an elevator, or ride in a taxi. My bathroom scale gives me the forecast along with my weight. Alexa tells me the forecast and warns me if a severe weather warning is issued for my neighborhood. Weather information is important to viewers, but the truth is they don't necessarily need to watch you or your TV station in order to find out what the weather's going to be like. In other words, broadcast meteorologists are no longer essential. These days, TV stations and broadcast meteorologists need to demonstrate every day that they are a source of essential weather information. You need an aggressive weather coverage strategy that deliberately connects with viewers and followers on an intellectual, emotional, and visceral level. One that turns switchable viewers into loyalists while increasing page views and video starts online. And this coaching course will help you do that. We'll start by exploring what I call the 3 fundamentals of effective weather communication: meteorology, message, and marketing. Meteorology represents the forecast as well as the science behind the forecast. If that's not right, nothing else matters. Message summarizes the trends in the forecast and provides details on the upcoming changes in the weather. Marketing is an innovative way of delivering the message that demonstrates expertise and shares personality while supporting the brand. The main benefit of this program is the one-on-one performance coaching sessions you'll have with me using Zoom. During these 1-hour coaching sessions, we'll take a look at your recent work on air, online, and on social media. And we'll collaborate and set some personal goals to ensure peak performance in the future. You'll have 5 virtual coaching sessions in this course. They are structured around 8 online lessons that feature an explanatory video like this and notes like you see at the bottom of this webpage. Each lesson includes a downloadable worksheet to help you complete an action item that extends the concepts within the lesson. The program is designed for you to complete 1 lesson per week, but work at your own pace. You have a total of 90 days to complete this course. You should know that this program was entirely written by me and is based on my decades of on-air experience. You have my personal guarantee that these tried and true tactics work if you give yourself permission to think differently about how you organize your workday and about the content you produce. There's an interesting dynamic in most TV station weather centers today. There are experienced and established broadcast meteorologists who grew up watching TV, who know how to produce good content for TV, but struggle producing engaging digital and social media content. At the same time, there are early career meteorologists who grew up with the internet and social media, who struggle producing effective content for television. This first-of-its-kind coaching program is intended to bridge those critical skills gaps. No matter what your experience level, whether you work the morning show or the late news, whether you're active on Twitter, Facebook, or every social media platform, this coaching program will provide practical tips that you can incorporate into your daily workflow immediately. This doesn't mean you'll be doing more work. In fact, you might end up doing less work because you won't be overproducing your weather hits and webcasts and filling your social media accounts with generic weather data. You'll be doing better work, and it will be essential work. Here are some of the key concepts we'll be covering in the 8 online lessons: ensuring forecast accuracy, producing viewer-driven weathercast, constructing an essential message, delivering the message using marketing tactics, creating supplemental digital content, sharing authentic, engaging content on social media, and developing personal best practices. Now, you can't develop personal best practices unless you know yourself and what kind of meteorologist you want to be. So, each lesson in this program ends with a couple of discovery questions. Grab a journal or create a digital document and spend some time writing your responses to the discovery questions. As you'll hear me say later on, writing makes it real. Here are the first 2 questions I'd like you to think about. Why are you taking this course? What are you hoping to accomplish? And what are 3 things that you want to work on right now? Think about it, write about it. And when you're ready, continue with the first lesson, an introduction to the fundamentals of effective weather communication. After you complete that first lesson, you'll be prompted to schedule your first performance coaching session. I'm looking forward to working with you.